This is the Maths 2A 2 marks video. Now in this video I shows you the all 2 marks problems from the Maths 2A paper. The student who follows this list of the 2 marks problems will definitely attempt all the problems in the public examination. In this video I covers all the models from the all the chapters for 2 marks. So the first chapter is here complex numbers, and in the public examination 2 marks problems comes here from this chapter. So the first question, write the complex number in the a plus ib form. If z is equal to 2 minus 3i, then show that this value is equal to 0. Find the multiplicative inverse, write the conjugate, and x plus 1 plus I root 3 in the mod amplitude form. This is also polar form, mod amplitude form, both are same. X plus 1 minus in the mod amplitude form. So these three sums are of the same model. And the next one, if arc z bar and arc z2 are pi by 5 and pi by 3, then find arc z1 plus z2. The most important 2 marks problem. And if z1 is equal to minus 1, z2 is equal to minus a, then find arc z1 into arc z2. The most important problem. And this is also most important sum. z1 is equal to minus 1, z2 is equal to I, then arc z1 by z2. And next one, a plus ib whole square is equal to x plus iv, then find x square plus y square. And the next one, show that a square plus b square is equal to 5. And the next one, find x square plus y square. And the next one, find the locus of z and determine the locus of z and simplify the given expression and find the value of the theta. And here amplitude is given, find the locus of z. And next one, these are the expected models. What is complex number? Given example. And this is the find the eccentricity of the ellipse whose equation is given. Find the equation of the line joining the given points. Now these are the all models of the problems from the chapter complex numbers. Now here I covers all the models from this chapter. So these are the all sums from the complex numbers. Now the second chapter, De Moivre's theorem, and 1 2 marks problem comes in the public examination from this chapter. So the first problem, if x is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta, then find this value and find the value of the given expression. And ABC are the angles of a triangle, then find x by z. This is the most important 2 marks problem, and this is also the most important 2 marks problem. And the next one, find the cube roots of 8 and find this value and find the value. And alpha beta are the roots of this equation. Prove that this value is equal to 0 and prove that this value is equal to 1 by 1 plus omega and find this value and show that this value is equal to a cube plus b cube and find the values of all these expressions and state De Moivre's theorem for integral index and state De Moivre's theorem for rational index. And the next one, find the cube roots of unity. And the next one, find the roots of the equation. And next one, prove that minus omega square are the roots of the equation. Now these are the all expected models from the De Moivre's theorem. Very, very important problems. Now the next chapter, quadratic expressions, and from this chapter 1 2 marks problem comes in the public examination. Now the models are, find the nature of the roots, find the roots of the equation, prove that the roots are real numbers and form the quadratic equation. Roots are given here and form the quadratic equation. Roots are given here and alpha comma beta are the roots of the equation, then find this value and find the quadratic equation. Sum of the roots is given here, sum of the squares is also given. This is the important sum, most important problem. And the next one, very, very important 2 marks. If the equation has equal roots, then find the value of m. And the next one, very, very important problem. If the 2 equations have a common root, then find the value of a. And the next one, if the equations have a common root, then show that this value. And the next one, very, very important problem. Find the maximum and minimum value of the given expression. And the next one, find the changes in the signs of the expression and extreme values. And the next one, for what values of x the expression is positive. And the next one, for what values of x the expression is negative. And the next one, find the value of x at which the expression has maximum or minimum value. And the next one, find the roots of the equation. And the next one, what is quadratic equation? Give an example. And these are the only expected problems from the quadratic expressions chapter. The next chapter, theory of equations, and 1-2 marks problem comes in the examination. So these are the models. First one, form the polynomial equation whose roots are given below of degree 3. And next one, alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the equation. Then find this value. And the next one, alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the equation. Then find this one. Next one, these are the roots, find alpha. Next one, roots values are given, find alpha. These are the most important problems, very important sums. This is also the very important sum. Roots are given, find a value. And this is also most frequently repeated question. Product of the roots is given, then what is a value? Next one, if alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the equation, find those values. And the next one, form the polynomial equation whose roots are given below. And the next one, find the polynomial equation whose roots are given below. Now these are the only expected sums from the theory of equations chapter. Only these are the problems. Coming to the next chapter, permutations and combinations. Very important topic. Very important topic. From this topic, 3 2 marks sums comes in the public examination. Three problems comes in the examination. First one, the most important model NP4 is equal to 1680, then what is n value? Most important model, if LPR is equal to 1320, then what is the value of R? Next one, what is n value? Next one, the most important problem NP3 is equal to 1320. The most important problem NP7 is equal to 42 into NP5, then what is value of n? Next one, what is n value? Next one, what is R value? Next one, find the number of 4-letter words that can be formed using the letters of the word piston in which at least one letter is repeated. Next one, the number of 6, 7-letter palindromes which are formed by using the letters of the word. Next one, number of injections. Next one, find the number of ways in which 4 letters can be put in the 4 addressed envelopes so that the no letter goes into the envelope meant for it. And the next one, find the number of arranging 7 persons around a circle, the most important 2 marks problem. Next one, find the number of ways of preparing a chain with 6 different colored beads, the most important 2 marks. And the most important 2 marks problem, this is very important. Find the number of ways of arranging the letters of the words. Independence, mathematics, singing, permutation, combination, intermediate. This is a very important 2 marks problem. And the next one, number of ways of selecting a committee. And the next one, number of ways of selecting the persons. And the next one, selecting the lines. And the next one, forming the parallelograms, number of parallelograms. And the next one, number of zeros in 100 factorial. And the next one, number of ways of selecting the things. And the number of ways, next one, number of positive divisors of 1080, the most important 2 marks. And the next one, in how many ways can a student fail in the examination? And the next one, prove that the 10C3 plus 10C6 is equal to 11C4, the most important 2 marks. These are the most important 2 marks. Find S value, find 50Cn. And the next one, 14 persons are seated at a round table. Now find the number of ways of selecting 2 persons. And the next one, NC4 is equal to 210, then what is n value? And next one, what are the R values? And the next one, what is n value? And this is the most important 2 marks. NPR is equal to 5040, NCR is equal to 210, then what are n comma R? And the next one, n value, R value, R values, finding all these values. And the next one, 9C3 plus 9C5 is equal to 10CR, then find R value. And the next one, Find the number of ways of forming a committee of 5 members from 6 men and 3 ladies. And the next one, the most important 2 marks. NC5 is equal to NC6, then what is 13Cl? Next one, find the value of 10C5 plus 2 into 10C4 plus 10C3. The most important 2 marks. And the next one, find the total number of chess games played by the students. And the next one, find the number of ways of selecting the persons. And the next one, find the number of selecting a committee. And the next one, the most important 2 marks, find the number of diagonals of a polygon. The next chapter is measures of dispersion, and 1 2 marks problem comes from this chapter. Find the mean deviation from the mean. The most important model. Find the mean deviation from the median. This is also the most important model. Find the variance and standard deviation. The most important model. The variance of 20 observations is 5. If each observation is multiplied by 2, then what is the variance of the resulting observations? Next one, each of the observations is increased by k, then show that the variance remains unchanged. Next one, the quotient of variation of two distributions are 60 and 70 and their standard deviations are 21 and 16. Then what are their arithmetic means? Now these are the only expected problems from the measures of dispersion. Now coming to the next chapter, random variables and probability distribution. Now the first question, the mean and variance are given. What is the distribution? The most important sum. And the next one, the probability that a person chosen at random is left-handed. This is also the very important 2 marks problem. And the next one, define binomial distribution, define Poisson distribution. And the next one, a Poisson variable satisfies P of x is equal to 1 is equal to P of x is equals to 2. Then find P of x is equal to 5. The most important 2 marks problem. And the next one, for the binomial distribution, mean and variance are given. Find the first 2 terms. The most important 2 marks sum. Next one, on an average rain falls in 12 days of every 30 days. Then find the probability rain will fall on just 3 days of a week. These are the only expected problems from the random variables. When the student who follows this list will definitely attempt 10 out of 10 in the public examination, since I covered all model problems from the textbook and there is no question to give in the examination paper except these models. So the students, please follow this list and attempt all the 10 problems in the public examination. So have a good luck and all the best.